What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing this P3 custom integrated digital gauge. So this is what comes in here. It goes in the AC vent on the left driver's side. Nothing in there, just the wire comes out through here. This is how it sits. Pretty cool because it has a bunch of different functions. These are some: boost, vacuum, air fuel ratio, reads and clears DTCs, exhaust gas temperature, raw vehicle speed, RPM shift light, battery voltage, coolant temperature, acceleration, braking timers, intake air temperature, and throttle position. It's really simple to install. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install it. So this, I guess, is how you set it up. The gauge goes into this box right here. This box goes into this, and then this goes into the OBD2 port. So the only thing that I don't like is that it doesn't come that this piece right here doesn't come with any type of protection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some split loom or some braided loom, and I will be just making it a little bit nicer, hopefully. And yeah, we're gonna throw it on. But before we throw it on, we're actually gonna connect everything, plug it in, turn on the car, and make sure it works. So let me meet you guys over there in the car. Okay, so this is what it looks like all put together. This goes on here like this. Okay. Make sure it's neutral. There you go. See what else? Boost. We don't have the boost kit yet. We're gonna order all that. Coolant 95. So now that it's working, turn this off, and we're gonna pop off this cover like that. And now we're gonna get to these clips back here to remove this piece, and then we'll, let me see if we can remove it right now. Okay, so it's these little clips right here. So you push them in, and then that slides out. So it's hard to do it with one hand, so let me do it real quick, and then I'll put you guys back on. We just removed this trim from this, and all I did was just get this little flathead, and then we worked our way around. So every one of these tabs is locked into this, so you just pry it off, and just make sure you remember which one is the top, because they could go in a lot of different ways. So what we did is, for the top one, we just kind of scribed the little line, and that's how we're going to install it into the new piece. So it's going to go on where it says top. Just slide it on. And then it clips, and that's it. So we're gonna fish the wire in there, and then we'll show you how we're gonna mount it underneath the dash. Okay, so all we did is we used this tool, this prying tool, and we put some blue tape on that end, and we fished it down all the way through the gap that we found up there, and we ran the wire down. Now the P3 gauge is in, and we're gonna clip it in place. You see that's the top right there. So make sure it grabs on. Snap the dash piece back in, and that's it. So that's how the gauge sits. So now for this wire, we're gonna fold it nicely, tuck it away somewhere up here. We'll use some zip ties. Okay, so this is how we routed the wire. Kind of don't like this, but that's how it comes. Then we went behind all these plugs, and we zip tied it here. These two are holding it, and then this one's holding the rest of the other wire behind it. And there's this plug that goes to the gauge. So now let me turn it on. Coolant, speed, battery. I don't know what that is. The intake air temperature, 86. That's the second one. So we're gonna order the rest of the stuff so we could get more readings on here, and then we'll show you guys how we install those. But for now, that's basically it. We're gonna keep it at intake air temperature and see how it works out for us. So hopefully you guys enjoy this quick little install video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll post that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.